How to download and install and get started with Amazon Prime Video using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Techademy. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily download and install Amazon Prime Video application on your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your device depending upon your device's operating system. In the search bar, type in Prime Video and search. Look for the Amazon Prime Video application from Amazon Mobile LLC and tap on the Get or the Download button to start downloading the application on your device. Wait until the application downloads and installs, which will take us several minutes. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection so that the application can download easier and faster. Always make sure you have enough storage space in your device before downloading. For smooth playback, keep the app updated to the latest version. You can use Amazon Prime so that you can stream movies, TV shows, and Amazon Originals anywhere, anytime. Amazon Prime application will require you to get the paid subscription, and it gives you access to thousands of movies, TV shows, and Amazon Originals. Once the application is installed, tap on Open and you have successfully downloaded and installed Amazon Prime application on your device. Now you can go ahead and sign into an existing account or create a new account and get started. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.